Hello folks, Bill DeMoy here from McDonald Realty. One of the issues that's been coming up more and more frequently is the question of asbestos in the home. And I'm here with Danny Kearney of greendemo.ca, Environmental Demolition, and he's going to explain some of where or how they find asbestos in homes today. Hello Danny.
Hi there.
So we're at a house today because there's some suspicion that there may be asbestos in the home.
That's correct, yes.
Now, where are we likely to find asbestos in a home today?
Well, I'm here today to look at specifically the drywall, and in the drywall, it's actually the drywall mud that contains asbestos, so or could contain asbestos. So that's what I'm going to be taking samples of today. So realistically, I'll just take a few scrapings of the drywall mud, and we have it tested at the lab to see if it is containing asbestos or not. The asbestos will not be in the actual drywall board itself. It will only be in the mud if it's containing.
And the mud is in the tape that they seal the joints.
So it will be in the joints and corners, yeah, absolutely.
Okay. And so if it's discovered that there is asbestos in the mud that they use to seal the joints,
yeah.
What happens then?
Well, it depends. If you're not disturbing it, if you're not doing any renovations, then it's fine. It can stay where it is. If you are doing some renovations, likely to start ripping some walls down, then you have to get an abatement, qualified abatement company to come in and take the drywall down for you and dispose of it. It all has to be disposed of if it is asbestos containing in Alberta, because there is nowhere in BC that takes asbestos containing drywall. So you'd have to have a company come in, set up decontamination units, showers, depending on what level risk it is. It can be low risk, medium, moderate risk, or high risk, depending on what you're taking out.
Are you a company, a greendemo.ca, that has such an environmental abatement team?
Yes, we do. We do selective demolition and abatement work.
Okay, and so this material currently has to be, if it has to be removed, goes to Calgary. That's the only place to take it.
If it is asbestos containing, drywall only goes to Alberta, yeah, just near Calgary.
Okay, well thank you very much, Danny. And remember folks, you can take a look or speak to them at greendemo.ca. It's here as part of my service to keep you informed about home buying and home selling.